When you see houses destroyed, belongings everywhere, and then when you hear people cheering behind you, like I said before, it's the most wonderful thing, because then you know that life is back to normal. And as a liney, that's probably the most rewarding thing that I've ever had in my 40 odd years of being in the paddock. You try and get on as many people as you can, as quickly as you can, as safe as you can. Every town is different too. So which town gets hit, or multiple towns get hit, or multiple cities get hit, then it becomes bigger and bigger. You do have a lot of rain, and there could be trees across roads, bridges washed out. Sometimes we've got to use helicopters to patrol the lights. And this is where it takes, again, a lot of time for us guys to go out and have a look and actually see what's the problem. One, we haven't lost hospitals. Two, that we've got water, sewage. Once you lose a zone sub, you lose suburbs, and that we're talking huge numbers of customers. Please be patient, we'll get there, and if you see a service down that's blocking your driveway, ring us up. That's what we're there for, because if we know that there's a problem, we'll come and we'll fix it. That's our job, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. That's who we work for. We work for the Queensland public, and we're proud to do it.